Ever wondered if your dinner plate is a secret lab experiment? Think about that as we journey into the world of bioengineered food and its potential health effects. Central to this, bioengineering is a process that entails the alteration of the genetic makeup of an organism. In the food context, scientists tweak the genes of plants and animals to curate new breeds with desired traits. This might seem like something out of a science fiction novel, but bioengineered food has already made its way to our dining tables. The procedure of bioengineering food involves the application of biotechnology to modify the DNA of the food we eat. This could involve rendering a plant unassailable to pests, amplifying the nutrient content of a grain, or even engineering an apple that doesn't discolor when you slice it. As fascinating as playing God with our food might be, it does come with its own Pandora's box of health issues. The main concern is the potential for allergenicity. In simple terms, introducing new genes into a plant may lead to the creation of new allergens, causing unexpected allergic reactions in some people. Another potential problem is outcrossing, a phenomenon where genes from genetically modified crops mix with those of traditional crops. The consequences of outcrossing are largely unknown and could potentially lead to a decrease in the nutritional value of the conventional crops. Furthermore, the long-term effects of consuming genetically modified food are still not fully understood. Some research suggests that genetically modified food could have negative impacts on the liver, kidneys, or pancreas, while others show no significant effect. The fact is, the verdict is still not in on this matter. In summary, bioengineered food is a result of modifying the genes of plants and animals to create breeds with desired traits. While this may offer benefits such as pest resistance or increased nutrient content, it also raises several health, the potential for allergenicity, the effects of outcrossing, and the unknown long-term impacts of consuming bioengineered food are all valid concerns that warrant further research and consideration. In the realm of edible goods, bioengineering is both a mystery. Its potential to revolutionize agriculture is undeniable, but so are the health concerns it raises. As we continue to explore this fascinating field, it remains crucial to tread carefully, ensuring the pursuit of progress does not compromise our well-being. So the next time you bite into juicy apple, remember, it might just be a science project in disguise.